Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Zebroon. I have a surprise for you. So, if you have noticed for a while now, I've not been able to post on my pages. I've not been consistent. So, it's all because I'm trying to design a new content for you guys. So, the new content that is coming up is going to be more of reviewing new products in the market and also going to be unboxing and all that. So, I have a surprise for you. The new unboxing that we are going to do is going to be this guy. So the good news is I got a drone. So it is important for me to get a drone because I have two channels, which the other channel I used to post events and also attractive and tourism attractive places in Ghana. So it is also necessary for me to get one. So today, come with me, we are going to unbox the drone so you can see how the DJI Mini 4 Pro looks like, and also we will try it outside, and also you can also see how the drone works. So guys, come with me, let's unbox the drone. So we are going to go to my table, the setup at my back, so that you can have all the detailed shots and all that. So guys, let's go. This is DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. So should in case you want to get yourself one of these, we are going to unbox this so you know what is inside the box. So actually they have two versions, the one with one battery and the Fly More combo. So this is Fly More combo. It means that we are going to have more batteries than the other one. So I'm going to unbox this so you know what is inside the box. So stay with me. Yeah, this is the top. So okay, let's have a nice peel, right? Nice one. Okay, so we have to also peel this one. Nice one there. Okay, so we open the box and the first thing we see is one beautiful bag from DJI. So I think it contains everything. In the box you see nothing, so let's put the box aside and then open the bag. Wow, this is nice. So let's zip it like that. We have so many things here. So the first one I will bring it out is the controller. So this is the controller. As you can see, it's very heavy. I swear, it's very heavy. We are going to tear all the rubber cover. So let's see what we have again right here. So this is also battery, two battery here. So I think one is empty, so I believe the other one will be in the drone. So let's see. So here is the drone. We are going to unwrap everything. So let's see what we have here again. Okay, so we have manual and we also have USB cables. So let's start with the USB cables that we have. So we have screwdriver for the drone, and we also have a USB type C to type C, and we also have type A to type C USB, and we have extra preparer for the drone. So should in case you break one of your preparers, then you'll be able to replace them. So the first one, let's go with the drone itself. Wow, so this is the drone itself. So one of the battery is inside the drone, so as you can see right here. So we are going to uncover everything and set it up so that you can also see how it can fly. So let's finish with this one. So this one is also the controller. So let me unwrap the controller so you can also see. Wow, this is beautiful. the screen. Ha. You see, very nice, neat. Wow. So you fly the drone today, so you see how this is also the extra batteries for the drone. Okay, so I believe you hold side and side and drop, remove the battery like that. It's the same thing, and the other one is in the drone. So this also have a output of type A and also input of type C. You can use it to charge. So that is the battery. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove the things covering the drone so you can also learn something. So I watched a couple of YouTube videos because actually this is my first time getting the drone, so I have to obviously watch a video so I'll know how it works. So let's pull this wrap around. I don't know how they did it, but hold on, maybe I'll get it. Okay. Okay, that's how it's done. So I thought I broke something. So that's how you got this remove the cover. So you can bring this one like that, and also bring this one like that. Okay, so let me bring this one like that, and then also bring this one forward like this. Okay, so this one also have to go like that. So now we have the drone. So this is the camera side. Let's see how there's some, I think you put, okay, it's very simple and easy to remove from the front. So something like that. Okay, so I think they have a lot of protectors in front of the camera like that. So let's go ahead and remove it because obviously we are going to use it, so we are not going to need that rubber protection. So let's remove it. Okay, let me hold it well before I break it, because okay, so now we have the rubbers removed, and there's also a foam. I don't know if you can see, there's a foam here. I watched a YouTube video. They said you should remove it, and you should also, you can keep it in case you want to wrap it again. You can as well use it. So I think these are the things you're supposed to remove from the drone, right? So now what again? So there's another battery in the drone. So I think you hold side and side and pull it out. The same thing. Yes. Okay. Okay. So let me see. I don't know how you can check the charging on the battery, but I'll check from the charger. So let me put it in, and you can see at the bottom you can charge it with type C, and you have to insert SD card right here. So I got two SD cards. This is Extreme Pro 128 gig. So I got two because you can give one to the controller and also give one to the drone. So you can record multiple footages onto them. Should in case you lose one from the drone or you lose one from the controller, you can have a backup. So this memory card is very quality and also very fast because it's 200 megabytes per second. So if you can see right here, right there, so this is 200 megabytes per second, and it's 128 gig. So we are going to insert it in the controller. This memory card is quite expensive, so I spent a lot of money today, so hold on. Let me use this to remove it. Okay. Okay. So this one is going to the controller. And I'm going to give one to the drone. Okay. It is very well protected, the memory card. So let me insert this one in the drone. Right, like that. So guys, we have to charge the battery before we can use it. So I'm going to charge it, so in a couple of minutes or hours it will be fully charged so we can fly the drone. So guys, let me charge it, I'll come back.